So is a real estate crash the time to start buying real estate? Hey BiggerPockets, I'm Steve Rosenberg with Mind Property Management, and today we're going to talk about, is it the right time to actually jump in and start buying real estate to hold? Well, first of all, understand that real estate goes in cycles. Normally, it goes in about a 7-year cycle, that it will go up and then it'll either go sideways or it'll go down. But guaranteed, it will go in cycles. And you want to make sure that you are either buying, you're selling, you're flipping, whatever it is you do, that you want to make sure that you are in the right part of the cycle for whatever your business model is. When you know what your market is specifically, that will help you dictate whether or not you should make a business decision. Now, never ever change your strategy just to change it. You always have to make sure that you are looking at the data where you live. So for example, if you live in a city and that city has one type of industry and that industry is affected because of the down economy, you may have to change your business strategy to still achieve your goal. But know that the only way that this happens is not by emotions. This is done by you making focused energy and looking at the data. I'll give you an example. When I used to flip properties and wholesale them, when 2008 recession came, I changed my strategy because now there was not as many buyers out there because nobody could get the loan. So I started to hold the properties because it made more sense. I was able to get better deals on the properties. I couldn't get rid of the deals, so I decided to buy and then hold them. It was a way that I changed my strategy based on the current environment. So what you want to make sure that you do is be very careful when you're watching the big picture news, because you only really need to know and focus on what's going on in your target market. The numbers and the data will tell you what is going on. Don't listen to what people are saying and what their opinions are. Make sure the data is actually giving you the right information, because that will tell you whether or not you're making the right or the wrong decision for you and your certain criteria. And it's very important that you are focused and intentional what you're doing and you're not just going off of emotions. I don't know anyone that has ever made a knee-jerk emotional reaction in a business decision and they were glad that they did it. There's always a market. It is either a buyer's market or it is a seller's market. And it's never normally the same. So just because buyers cannot get deals, that means sellers are maybe getting a good deal. So you may want to shift to become a seller. Same thing if it's vice versa. And that's how you have to understand. You see, wealth does not evaporate. Wealth shifts. And so you want to make sure that when wealth shifts, you are able to do that pivot. So hopefully this helps. I'm Steve Rosenberg with Mind Property Management and BiggerPockets. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe to BiggerPockets, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.